Hey, beautiful. So, want to look soft, elegant, and like you just stepped out of a romantic perfume commercial? But without spending a fortune or meditating on a mountain for 10 years? Girl, I got you. Here's how to glow up in just one day. With tips so simple, even your cat could do them. Let's go. First things first, fix your posture. I don't care how good your makeup is. If you're slouching like a question mark, you're giving tired intern, not elegant queen. Chin up, shoulders back, pretend you're wearing a crown. Boom, instant confidence. You just aged backwards. Your scent is your silent signature. You walk in and people should say, "Who is that?" Not in a, "Did someone spray air freshener?" way. Go for a perfume that smells like soft confidence. Think warm vanilla, fresh rose, or a little musk. You're not trying to smell like a cupcake exploded. You're trying to smell like the main character just entered the scene. And jewelry is like seasoning. A little bit can elevate your whole vibe, but too much and you're a walking chandelier. Try dainty layered necklaces, minimal rings, or a sleek bracelet. And pro tip, match your metals to your undertone, gold for warm, silver for cool, or mix them if you're feeling spicy. Now, let's talk voice. Slow down when you speak, choose soft, calm words. Say, "Thank you," instead of "OMG lol, shut up, you're crazy." Being feminine is less about volume, more about vibe. You don't need Chanel to look chic, but you do need clothes that talk, quietly. A fitted blazer over a basic tee? Suddenly, you're the main character in a French indie film. Slip skirt plus ribbed knit top equals effortless. I have my life together energy. Trade in your tight jeans for something that moves with you. Monochrome outfits? Instant elevation. Black on black never betrayed anyone. And textures? Oh girl, linen, silk, soft knit. They whisper tasteful in every language. The goal isn't loud, it's luxuriously low effort. When you walk and your clothes dance with you, that's main character energy. And finally, shift your energy. Stop chasing, controlling, forcing, lean back, receive. Smile, listen. Being feminine is a frequency. Tune in. That's it. No crazy makeup, no plastic surgery, no $800 spa day, just tiny shifts that make you glow like a Paris sunset. Like this video if you felt cute halfway through. Subscribe if you're ready to become unapologetically feminine. See you in the next Glow Up Beauty.